Hello, little learners. We are happy to have you join us on this exciting journey into the world of computers with Binary Brains, the language of computers. Grade 4, Lesson 2. In this lesson, we will learn about what is Windows, what Windows can do, understanding the basics, let's create a folder, multitasking features, CPU, processors and their speed. Let's begin with what is Windows. In the previous lesson, we studied that Windows is an operating system which helps organize and run all the parts of computer. Windows provides a user-friendly interface that allows you to do many things on your computer, like play games, browse the internet, watch videos, and so on. Windows acts as a bridge between you and the computer's hardware like the keyboard, mouse, and screen, making it easy to perform tasks without needing to know complicated commands. Let us learn about the history of Windows. Windows was first made by a company called Microsoft in 1985. Back then, computers looked very different and were harder to use. Over time, Microsoft has made many new versions of Windows. Each version has added new features to make it easier and more fun to use. For example, there was Windows XP 2001, then Windows 7 2009, Windows 10 2015, and now Windows 11 2021. With each new version, Windows became faster, safer, and could do many things. Now let's find out why Windows is popular. User-friendly interface. Windows uses icons and menus that are easy to click on. You don't need to know how to code or type long commands to use it. Widely used in schools and offices. Many schools and businesses use Windows because it is simple and has many tools they need, like word processors for writing, spreadsheet apps for calculations, presentation apps for making presentations, and much more. Lots of programs and games. Windows supports a large variety of applications, programs, and games. Whether you want to do homework, create art, or play game, Windows has options for all these activities. Supports multiple devices. Windows works on computers, laptops, and tablets, so you can find it on many types of devices. Now let's learn what can Windows do. Organize your files. Windows helps you sort your files into neat folders. Run multiple programs. You can play games while listening to music or watch videos and do homework all at once. Search tab. Windows helps you find applications and files quickly. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, aeroplane mode and settings. Wi-Fi connects you to the internet wirelessly, allowing you to browse the web and access online services. Bluetooth connects you to devices like headphones, speakers. Using Bluetooth, users can transfer data between devices. Aeroplane mode disconnects all wireless connections, stopping internet access and other communication features. Settings. The Settings app in the Windows lets you adjust system features like sound, screen brightness, and Wi-Fi connections. Students, now let's understand the basics. Desktop. A desktop on a monitor has folders and files that you may need to use more often. It has icons, small pictures that are shortcuts to open the apps that you may use often. You can add your own icons and files and folders to the desktop that you need. It also shows the time and the date. PC. This PC is a place where you can see all your folders, files and storage devices. It helps you find and open anything you have saved on your computer. Recycle bin. This is where deleted files are temporarily stored on the computer. If we accidentally delete a file, we can restore it within a certain period, usually until the recycle bin is emptied or the file is automatically removed after 30 days. Settings. The Settings app in the Windows lets you adjust system features like sound, screen brightness, and Wi-Fi connections. Downloads folder. A location where the files downloaded from the internet are stored. Students, it's time to organize your files and learn how to create a folder. Right-click on the desktop, select New, and choose the folder option. Then, type the name for the new folder, for example, My First Folder, and press Enter. Done. We just created our first folder. Now, in this folder, you can add your documents and other files. Double-click on the folder to open it. Inside the folder, you can add new files. To add new files, right-click on the empty area inside the folder. From the menu that appears, select New. And then click on Microsoft Word document. Now, type a name for a new document. For example, Lesson 1 Homework. And press Enter to save the name. Similarly, you can create multiple Word files in your folder. For better understanding, let's create 2 more Word files in this folder. Now, you have your documents organized neatly into folders. To open the document, double-click on the file. Moving on, we will learn about multitasking features. Windows lets you do lots of tasks simultaneously. You can open several programs and switch between them easily. Press Alt plus Tab on your keyboard to see all your open tabs or running applications and to switch between or move from one tab to another. Next, we will learn about CPU processors and their speed. CPU, Central Processing Unit. The CPU is the brain of the computer. Just like your brain helps you think and solve problems, the CPU helps the computer run applications and programs. Processor speed. The speed of the CPU can be considered similar to how quickly you can solve a puzzle. A faster CPU can do more tasks quickly and make everything run smoother. This speed is measured in gigahertz, which tells you how many billions of instructions the CPU can handle in a second. Earlier, CPUs ran at 1 to 2 gigahertz, while modern CPUs typically range from 3 to 5 gigahertz, with some reaching over 5 gigahertz. This increase means faster and smoother performance. That's all for today, students. Hope you had fun learning about Windows. Want to test your brain? You can attend a quiz of this chapter on Dattam's website. Once you finish attending the quiz of all the chapters, you will receive a certificate. Scan the first QR code to visit Dattam's website or click on the link provided in the description box. Scan the second QR code to learn how to navigate to assessment page and access the quiz section on the website, or click on the link provided in the description box. You can also download this PPT from the Tamsh website. Great job, little genius! You have finished lesson 2. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next lesson. Happy learning!